welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 17 of English, and the name of the chapter is the conjunctions, right? So what are conjunctions actually? Conjunctions are also known as the joining words because they used to join the same category of the words or the sentences, right? So let us read the chapter and identify more new things about conjunctions. So a conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes verbs. कि कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि merely join करता है एक साथ सभी sentences को और कभी कभी कुछ words वो भी, right? Next we have the kinds of conjunction. अब हमें यहाँ पे kinds of conjunction दिए हुए हैं. Let's have a look on them. Conjunctions are of the following kinds. Conjunctions इन सभी kinds के होते हैं. Let's have a look. So first is the cumulative conjunctions. अब ये cumulative conjunctions कौन से हैं? So a cumulative conjunction simply joins two or more words or sentences of equal status or importance. कि cumulative conjunctions कुछ ऐसे simple conjunctions हैं जो कि दो words को या फिर उससे ज़्यादा words को या फिर sentences को भी join करते हैं जिनका जो importance है, जो status है वो बिल्कुल equal होता है, right? जैसे कि example है, the leader as well as his followers shouted slogans. Both husband and wife came together. The man entered the room and sat on the sofa. He not only abused but also beat the boy. Next is the assertive conjunction. Now, what is the assertive conjunction? These conjunctions are used to express contrast between two statements and in a sentence. कि ये conjunctions use की जाती हैं ताकि हम दो statements के बीच में एक contrast show कर सके, right? जैसे कि the students came late but he was not punished. He wrote the essay well, only his handwriting was poor. Though she is beautiful, yet she wears shabby clothes. He is weak, but he can lift heavy articles, right? After that, the next kind is alternative conjunctions. Now, what are alternative conjunctions? An alternative conjunctions expresses a choice between two alternatives. कि alternative conjunction जो है वो express करते हैं choice between two alternatives. जैसे कि example है either or did it, neither Mohit nor with it made a noise, work hard or you will fail, come in or go out, right? After that, the next kind that we have is elative conjunctions. Now, what are elative conjunctions? An elative conjunction is used to express inference from the preceding statement. कि elative conjunctions जो है वो use किए जाते हैं inference express करने के लिए from the preceding statements. जैसे कि since you walked slow, you missed the train. He ran fast, so he stood first. Someone is outside, for I heard the dog barking. He looks gloomy because he lost 50 rupees. Right? Moving ahead. We have a few common conjunctions. कुछ common conjunctions हमें यहाँ पर दी हुई है जो कि है cumulative conjunctions. So, and, also, to, no, less than, as well as both, only, but also, moreover, etc. Next are the adversative conjunctions. Now, what are adversative conjunctions? But, still, yet, only, nevertheless, while, whereas, however, on the other hand, etc. Next is the alternative conjunctions. Now, what are alternative conjunctions? Either or, neither nor, else, otherwise, or etc. Next is the elative conjunctions. So, they are for, therefore, so, then, hence, accordingly, consequently, etc. Right? So, all these are the few common conjunctions that we use in our day-to-day conversations. Right? So that was all about the chapter conjunctions. I hope I made you very clear with all the rules and all the kinds of conjunctions. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.